This is where it all really began. Up until now, it's just been preparation, and now it's here, it's the start.
I think we just have to remember to get out of our comfort zone. Once you step outside, you can meet new people and have experiences that you never thought you'd have.
I feel like I've laid a really good foundation here at Dal and met some really amazing people.
Every milestone I've hit in my life has been the start of something new and something great. We're so lucky to be at a place where the sky is the limit.
I know I make it look easy, but yo, you gotta believe me. Don't believe what you see, it's a show you that we put in the work. We go out to the sundown, but yo, you gotta believe me. Don't be a fool by the cool what we do, yeah, we put in the work.
You're kind of thrown into a family where you have that social support, which is unbelievable.
Things are going to change really fast, and being here right now at Dalhousie, you can see it happening.
I think life just keeps restarting. But once you get a handle on the fact that every day is a new beginning, then you just sort of enjoy each one.
I'm excited to graduate and take the next step forward. It's easily the best decision of my life.